Today we're at Blake School and we're here to And we're back once again at Blake School with students in 6th, 7th, and 8th grade talking about numbers, first of all, place value, and then number patterns. So here on the 100 chart, you can find a lot of different patterns on that 100 chart, right? What's one pattern you might see on there right now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Okay. Take a look at going down a column.
2, 12, 22, 32.
So what are they doing?
Adding.
They're just adding 10 every time, right? So there's a lot of patterns that you can find on a 100 chart, right? You could look at it diagonally, right? You could look at the corners. You could look at just the ends. There's all sorts of different things you could look at and find patterns on that paper. So in each of your pairs, you have somebody's number that you're looking for. And there are 6 clues on that paper. What you need to do is you need to look at all 6 clues and use your 100 chart and see if you can figure out what that person's number was. All right? So you guys have Paul's number, right?
Yes.
What's one clue? Read the first clue on there.
Paul's number is not located on an edge or a corner. Help your group find Paul's number on the 100th.
Okay, so it's not on the edge or a corner, correct? So what numbers can you get rid of if it was your group right now? What would you do with the 100 chart? Yeah, what do you want to do?
You wouldn't have any of the sides.
You would just cross those out, right? You could just draw a line right through the sides and the corners, right? So the 100 charts are for you guys to work on, all right? What about you guys? What's the first clue on yours?
The sum of the digits of Meg's number is greater than 10.
So you know that when you add the 2 numbers together, that number is going to be larger than 10. Now, let's take the first number larger than 10, 11. If we take 1 and 1, what does that add up to?
2.
2. That can't be the number, can it? Because it's not larger than 10, right? What about 23?
That's 5.
That's 5. That can't be it, right? So you know it's not going to be anywhere around there. You're going to have to think a little bit higher on that one.
Any teens except for 19.
Right. So go ahead and keep working, right? It has to be larger than 10, and look at all the clues, all right? What about you girls? What's the first one?
Meg's number is a multiple of 3.
So it's a multiple of 3, right? So if you know your multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and you just keep on going, you know it's going to be one of those numbers, right? So if you guys wanted to, you could go like, all right, like circle 3, circle 6, circle 9, 12, right? And then start doing all the clues and condensing them. See if you guys can find out what the number is, all right? Go. You guys think you have the number?
Yes.
Paul's number. What do you think Paul's number is?
29.
What is it?
29.
29? Read the clues and let's see how the clues work out.
It says Paul's number is not located on an edge or a corner.
Okay, so 29 satisfies that.
It is not an even number.
29 is not an even number.
The difference of the digits in Paul's number is 3. We didn't look at that one.
So the difference in 29 would be 7. So the number, you're getting close.
We'll have to find a different one. So we gotta think, Dahlia. The difference has to be 3, but the sum has to be 11. All right.
So the difference is 3 and the sum is 11. Did you guys find your number?
Yeah.
What is it?
84.
Whose number were you looking for?
Meg's number.
Meg is 84. Read the clues quickly.
The sum of the digits of Meg's number is greater than 10. The difference between the 2 digits of Meg's number is greater than 3. Meg's number is a multiple of 7. The first digit of Meg's number is larger than the second. Meg's number is not odd. Both digits of Meg's number are even.
And 84 satisfies all of those things. Congratulations. Did you guys find your number now?
Yes.
Which number is it?
7.
I think it's 47.
47 is correct. Nicely done. You guys still working on Tim's number, or have you got it?
Yeah, we're still.
Still working on it? All right, continue working. We've got the 6th, 7th, and 8th grade students looking at number patterns and figuring out what the number is at Blake School.